everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you this Coleman power station from Sunforce. It's a year-round item ideal for emergency backup or remote power. You can use it on items like air compressors, phones, laptops, 12-volt coolers, lights, and more. It's portable, lightweight, and easy to use. I could see this being really great for my van life friends or even in emergency situations. It's powerful enough to run a Cpap machine should you need it for something like that. It comes with a 300 watt-hour lithium battery and an integrated 300 watt pure sine wave inverter and an adapter. It has a high definition LCD display showing charge and capacity, an integrated emergency light, and multiple USB ports. It's compatible with an array of electronic devices and has a 12-volt output. Here's how you charge the station. The unit comes with an AC adapter for charging. Make sure you only use the one that comes with this power station. Securely insert the charging plug into the 12-volt in portion of the power station. Connect the AC plug directly in the wall to begin charging. The digital display will show the battery charging icon and the input watts. For charging with a solar panel, utilize the 19-volt in port and connect to a solar panel no more than 100 watts. Charging will stop once the battery capacity is reached. The power station has an internal regulator to prevent any overcharging. On the back of the power station is a powerful LED light. Press the light button once to turn the light on. A second press will activate the emergency flashing effect. A third will slow down the flashing, and a fourth press turns the light off. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'll include shopping links in the description of this video, as well as the customer service information should you wish to contact Sunforce directly. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button to see future YouTube videos, and don't forget to find me. I'm on TikTok and Instagram as well. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.